Hello, my name is Heather. I'm with the Grace Company Tech Support, and today I'm going to show you what happens when your software stops while you're in the middle of a project, and I will show you how to fix it. When you are in the middle of sewing and the software stops on a row or a pattern, it's because there's a disruption in the communication between the computer and the carriage. As a temporary fix to let you finish your pattern or your row, you can unplug the USB cable from the tablet or the computer that you are using. The most common problem for the interruption is a physical disconnect. If you are using a Q15 or a Q21 machine, then you want to bypass the USB cable on the sewing machine. If the USB cable connected to your tablet is connected to the top of your sewing machine, you will want to disconnect this as well. Once you have the cables disconnected from the top of your machine and your tablet, you will want to get the 7-foot USB cable that came with your quilt motion and connect one of the ends to the tablet and one of the ends to the carriage. Now you can hit the retry button on your screen because you have not moved your machine or made any other changes besides the USB cable. You will now be able to move forward with the repair pattern and follow the steps to start up where you left off. As you can see, once you have done all of these steps, you will be able to go on and move forward with your project.